Are you making this super common real estate investing mistake? I probably get 2 or 3 of these phone calls a week. Hey Cam, we're ready to invest. The bank's given us $900,000 to invest with, but we only want to spend $600 or $650 just because it's our first one. Big mistake. Why is this a big mistake? Dropping how much money you spend on your investment property, whether it's your first one or your fifth one, the market doesn't care. The market is going to move with or without you. And so if you have the ability to spend more money and service that amount of money and still be comfortable, you should invest in it, because usually you will outperform from a dollars perspective when you spend more money. For example, let's look at $600,000 versus $900,000. Let's assume all things are equal. You get 10% growth, 10% growth. 10% of 600 is 60, 10% of 900 is 90. So over 1 year, you're going to make $30,000 more in scenario 1, where you spent $900,000 over the $600,000. And if you compound that year on year, year 2, this property is now worth $660, you get $66,000. This one's worth $990, you get $99,000 in growth, and so on and so on. So the more money you spend, the more money you're likely going to make if the interest growth is the same, or the percentage growth is the same. Now, the other reason why this is a mistake is because typically the more money you have to spend, the more better locations there are to pick from. And so when you have a smaller budget, you are pigeonholing yourself into restricted locations. Now, if you can only spend 600, that's a different story. But if you have the ability to spend more, don't make the mistake of spending less just to feel a bit more comfortable. You're investing in real estate, let the numbers do the work for you. As long as you can afford it, it's comfortable, and you have your buffers, spend more money, make more money. If you're serious about buying your first investment property, I've put together a free guide covering the 8 biggest mistakes first-time investors make. Just comment investment and I'll send it to you.